All that severe weather Tim just talked about left a big impact in our South Carolina counties.
Several tornado warnings this afternoon.
News Channel 6's Chloe Salsameda covering it all for us. She's been out all afternoon. A shaky signal just because of all the instability in the atmosphere. Chloe, emergency teams sure are thankful the damage wasn't worse.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse, Brad. There was damage reported about a mile away from here on Briggs Road, and then, of course, here on Moore Road. And we can see just the extent of the damage here. The wind tore off these tree limbs off of the trees, and they spread them all across the road here. But that wasn't the main concern today. The main concern was that when we arrived earlier, a power line fell onto the ground. It was active, so had the street blocked off, making sure no one was walking across or driving across, because if they had, they could have been in danger.
They would be electrocuted. You know, if you drive across it, nothing may ever happen. If you step on it, of course it's going to electrocute you.
Crews were able to get that power line turned off and clear up the road here so cars are able to drive through now. Meantime, the Edgefield School District tells us they were able to release students from school safely once the weather cleared up for today. In Edgefield County, Chloe Salsameda, WJBF, News Channel 6.